The people
The
that must
person
follow
that
me.
says make the baby drop. Alright. The person that says the baby drop. The baby did fell and the baby was in his walker, being a baby. There's a crack in the tile and a hole in the tile that the wheel stuck in, and the baby fell over and rested on him hand them. He cried because he was frightened. His
Daniel,
mom took
let's
him. Hold
continue.
on. Hold
Let's
on,
be
hold on,
calm,
mama.
Papa. Let's be
Hold on.
calm,
His
Papa.
mom
Be
took
calm.
him. His mom took him and went and washed off his hand and was cleaning him up. And she ended her life immediately after that. I was on my life, not even was arguing with Ali anymore. I was just streaming and pushing rankings.
Guys,
People flood commented on a video and said that Aliyah slapped the baby and fling the baby in a wall and all kind of blood clotting. So I don't want to come tell me nothing about the baby drop. So every baby drop. Me can show no picnic within a Jamaica, they need chip out.
Daniel.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story ain't complete if minute upon the beat. And as you can see, on the screen, Skit Queen Annie and her family them is causing a whole lot of ruckus on social media. People putting out the comment section if you're buying what them a sell. Because them series is getting out of hand, and as you can say, Babylon running upon them, you know, for clean up them picnic get tech and all them stuff. You see, I say, I know we're hearing a little bit of the whole deal that went down with the trappings. Putting out the comment section where you think about that, because it have to be more than that. For Babylon really moving upon you. I mean, I look in these people's environment and yeah, the Zincos and all of them thing there, you know, coal, a cook stove and all of them ish there, you see me? Right? This is some real hostile environment. You see my answer. But you see Zana talk to them and all of this stuff. But before we get into what she has to say, let us take a look at Annie and her daughter earlier this morning, because it's not a good look. Right? It's not.
People are sabotage my car, people are planning for burn down my house, and people are planning for shoot me. Some of them saw me a ball for my whole fuck up thing where I go around me.
Who caused that? You.
Who mean by who caused that? How would that cause that? How would that cause that?
Right now, and they still try to take your life.
What did Amma watch it and me move from Ochi?
You're not plan for God church.
May I ask you a question? What did Amma watch it? Why you not got blood clot church? Why you not got church? Why you not focus on go get back your blood clot picnic? Eh? Why you not focus on go get back your blood clot picnic? Eh? Why your blood clot of work and tell like promise her? Your work and tell me your blood clot like from me. That's the blood clot problem. And see you lose your blood clot picnic. Don't put your blame for me, John Crow. You need to go blood clot church. Any church anybody need to go, and you need to go blood clot church. You know what man a kick me now? You know man kick me now. You know man box me and kick me like a dog. That's why you lose your blood clot picnic. That's why you lose your blood clot church. You're a wicked blood clot demon, girl. You're a demon. I still have a blood clot man with you.
Yeah, only per madness. So let's go back to hear what the guy has say, and then we'll proceed.
Everybody watch them hate that person so much that even if them see them in real life, they will still hate on them, not even knowing so they're playing a fucking character.
Guys, I have to say something. Daniel, you said something to me in confidence, and the Spirit of the Lord just told me to share it.
Yeah.
Guys, did you notice the other day that they were crashing out and I would not interfere? Like, you not hear me vlog pan it, you not hear me say nothing, you not see me go over there or nothing? They basically just said to me, Anna just reached out to me and she said, Zan, I'm going to offer this carry on and with all that antics, like, you know, like we have problem because if we don't do that, them not support me, Zan. So I'm going to ask you, if them call you and tell you whatever, no worry yourself about it, because I know nothing where to worry about. We just have to just do it. That is it. I'm sorry, but I did have to just tell them. Because guys, I don't know if you guys noticed that I never vlog about it or whatever, and I was just nonchalant. I would not tell me say, you know, ASM him kick her down and do this and that and blah blah. I'm just nonchalant. And I never noticed. You know of me being nonchalant to go hear them something about Anna? The people that must follow me.
The person that says make the baby drop. Alright. The person that says the baby drop. The baby did fell and the baby was in his walker, being a baby. There's a crack in the tile and a hole in the tile that the wheel stuck in, and the baby fell over and rested on him hand him. He cried because he was frightened.
His mom took him.
His mom took him. His mom took him and went and washed off his hand and was cleaning him up. And she ended her life immediately after that. I was on my live, not even was arguing with Ali anymore. I was just streaming and pushing rankings.
Guys,
people flood commented on a video and said that Aliyah slapped the baby and fling the baby in a wall and all kind of blood clotting. So I don't want to come tell me nothing about the baby drop. So every baby drop. Me can show no picnic within a Jamaica, they need chip out.
Daniel,
they need chip out, they go out and look away. And for we picnic don't have a scratch on him, not even a scratch on him.
Look here. Social media. 1 second. Watch here. Listen to me. Listen to this. Close your eye. Don't look for me. Just listen.
Baby with water.
Boy, I saw country people stop pitney when they drop. When you know watch video, and you know see, I saw country people stop picking it when they drop. And if we look older, they say mix some sweet beverage water game. How much I want to drop off a bed? Me know say some want to drop on a head top. But how much I want to drop off a bed? How much I want to drop on a life? The narrative one want to try for construct. For say the girl drop her baby and then I slap her baby. And then if you know I go say the baby gets slapped, the baby would ball out as he get slapped. What would a long piece of delay that? It's like any if you know hear so she eat dog didi a morning. Me didn't know say eat dog didi. Yeah man, and dog didi eat my king and some mad man. Come on. You run with anything. You know we ain't no possibility none at all. You don't get the personal benefit of the doubt. You people are done own a yard. I have no own similar experiences. Come on man, get it together. Get it together.
Yeah, I'm pitting Japan broke all their skull, broke hand, broke foot.
And you see those of you who participated.
Our baby never drop yet.
Let me tell you something.
Never.
You see those of you who participated to this. You see those of you who were malicious in taking a certain action that you take. Don't worry, your day is coming.
Man, God knows what to do with them, man.
And that's all I will say. Remember, we sow seeds every day. We sow seeds every day. And some of us, when we reap, it's called blessings brought forward. But you see, some of you, when you reap, you know what it will be called? Karma. Do unto others as you would have them do unto you. You see, when you're digging a pit, dig too. Because you see the pit that you dig, fishy falling off for them falling off. You're wrong. You shall fall in it. Don't put Daniel in a lion's den, my love. Because remember, say him God, I go shut down the jaws of the lion. Let me say it again, like you never hear. Me say, do not try to put Daniel in an lion's den, because him God, I go shut down the jaws of the lion. Because the Lion of Judah shall break every chain. And Daniel and Anna and Wilbert are going to get the victory again and again.
Amen. So let it be, Mama.
This is a learning experience for them. I'm happy them learn.
Yeah, just to learn is that we alright. Let me tell you why people do not understand why
We
me so
all learn. Everybody
me
learn.
traumatized in a beyond the expectation because me know, you know me as a person who read a lot and research a lot on everything based on what I go on the media how long me I research and deep in every situation, every corner, certain things, knowing that there was flooding this 2 weeks prior before the situation happened. Knowing there was flood commenting, I thought about yeah, we next. You know what I mean? All of those comments was there. I did a sit down at night time and I research for so much things I know. It's me I'm a full rights. And this happened. Me traumatized beyond me can't look on Ali and say, yo, you know, say this can happen or this can happen, bro. Only thing me can say, only thing we can do is get legal aid, meaning say have a lawyer at her foot and at her hand because everything is happening right now is weird and it's foreign to us. You understand what I say? So that's why we run here seek help. Me they try sell
We
me
need
bike.
somebody that they can
Me
trust that
try
is not
sell me
represented
bike.
by the state because the state
No,
is already.
we got somebody already. We have gave him certain amount of funds already. At the final is a final rest of the funds we are seeking now. Cause we take out everything out of our savings for him and him come represent you one time and we take out Chuck savings to we save up for him. We take out that and we give him certain amount of money already and the rest right now have to finalize it and make him come represent it each time we go to court after so we don't have to there in not talking with the judge or the representatives of CDA. Which in certain information are out there because whatever happened in the court is public, is to the public, is public knowledge, or whatever they want to put it in our friends. People can go on the internet and search for what happened in a court, but not certain details. Certain details I cannot speak on. You understand what I say? We just know so the representative is there. We give him certain amount of funds already, and the other rate of funds that we are lining up to give him now, so he can continue representative till we get back a chance, so he can speed up the process of we getting him home back. You understand? Did you just feel weird to come over here and ask the same people and cause the situation to even look help or
Don't worry about that. Don't worry. You don't worry about that. The Bible says, "Ask and it shall be given; seek and it shall find; knock and it shall be opened." Close mouth don't get fed. There's nothing about feeling weird, my dear. You're not the only person that asks for support on the app. The app has supported a lot of us. The app has supported me. Those of you who are interested in our Zanjama candles, portrait candles, please DM me for that. The app has supported a lot of persons who are watching. So nobody here is better than anybody or above anybody or beneath anybody. We all fall short. And we want people to have our backs. And with that being said, guys, if you put the $ beside my name right here, you can send to the Cash App so that I can get to forward that to them. Whatever you have, guys, it will be greatly appreciated. So what right you think you have for one digging a people life? If the man say I him son, and that the man say, and that you no work with, and that you no respect. You don't respect people based upon them past circumstances. People are responsible for them trauma. You don't respect people based upon what you think about them family lineage. You don't respect people because of them skin tone. You don't respect people because them do everything right, because love is unconditional, not only when you are right. You don't respect people based upon the assets what them have or the popularity what them have. You respect people because every freaking one of us, from the young to the old, deserve respect. And a busting off your jaws and tearing open your pussy. How does that sound? Very invasive and rude, right? I would never do that. But I wanted you to see how nasty you present yourselves. How aggressive, invasive, and rude, and atrocious. People deserve their right to privacy. Nobody have to tell you any detail of their business. So much fight for these two people to be apart. How about if we use the energy and fight to keep them together? They want to be together. Why can't we respect their wishes? Are you guys perfect in the homes that you live in? Are you guys perfect in your family dynamics? Your relationships with your baby dad and your baby moms and your husbands and your wives and your kids and your children, even if they're adult children or younger children, or even if you don't have any child? Huh? Don't you not fight? Don't you not argue and scream? Don't you not sleep and turn your backs to each other and one of you take the couch and you haven't had less sex for months? Hey! We content creators, we do that too. Yeah. Hello. We are real people. I don't know why you did that AI, because they think you're AI forever. We're actually real people with real emotions.
John, you know what the point of more if from where they nowadays people are so caught up in social media and so locked in their phone they forgot that people often that's on the media as streamers or influencers or whichever beggars, whichever platform they want to put us or state they want to put us in. We are human beings end of the day, you see me?
Yes.
That's the end of the end game of the all life for me I show you, and these people are moving like they are not human beings anymore. They're so caught up in devices and media. They forget so that people that they are commenting certain things to on them live are human beings too that have feelings. You understand? Not just true you have a phone and you can type something that means you have to type something negative. You know what I learned from my tender years? When you see man and woman in an argument, you know what I learned from my tender years? You see man and woman in an argument, if you don't have good to say, you don't say nothing at all. You understand what I say? Because if me and my woman in an argument, if you see a baby mother and a baby father in a simple argument, that is not escalated or reached to a certain point. Why are you guys the one to push it further than it's supposed to go, or not the ones to say, yo, you know guys, when you can't calm down, when you can't stop, when you can't chill, when you put towards this now, man. Come on, man. When I get older and older every day, you know. Let's focus on the bigger picture. Make it in our life. Start a little business that we started. We still get bashed to start a business. We get bashed to take care. Me get bashed just to stand up for my baby mother and my pitney where everybody judge on because of him color. To show you racism is stronger in Jamaica than
Colorism. Colorism.
You understand what I'm saying? So, more while you see them people here talk and say certain things, I don't really follow them. The main fact is, me there I do what I'm supposed to do as a man. You know what I mean? I play a certain character on this media which I am not in real life. And it's kind of hurtful to know that I have to do it because of survival purposes. Playing the villain in a movie is not easy. A lot of people get hate because they're the villain in the movie but they're not the person in real life. There's so much movies where I can bring up with.
Just a sad situation. I'm not gonna tell you no lie, my people. And it remind me of Marcia from you know what Dancehall Queen, because the way she a pimp out, I pitney them. You see Marcia, I'll be hustling to go on pan Annie ends them, you know. You see Marcia, and some of the things that she's doing, them the thing that outdated in Jamaica people now move pan them moral ground there. The more, you know, the morality is up, you see me. But me just like give you a quick update while going for to go on if you want to check out what Shay said about Annie and all of these antics go up on my Credible Boss channel, because the crocodile tears, the people them not buy it no more. You see me I say alongside them series that them I sell. So don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified when I drop the latest stuff. Please.